Do you
today again? I can't remember what day of the week it is. Today I decided to step out. I need to go do some shopping with my sister and go to the farm, get some stuff from the farm. So yeah, come with me and let's go.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, Karibu.
Thank you.
So you are gonna need to wash your hands.
Okay, I see. I see. We have to wash our hands here. Ataka na sanitizer.
Yeah, because sanitizer suppresses the germs, but like soap.
Siko sawa. Kuna ungo hapa.
A tiny one.
Shika nioshe
the others. And then you're gonna need to like disinfect your shoes.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay. Sawa.
No,
Gee.
water is for the nini.
You're giving us so many instructions. So washing hands and then
You wash your hands and then you disinfect your shoes because we don't know where you guys have come from.
we've just come from their house.
Yeah, well, we don't know what germs are in your houses. We don't want to
Jeez.
infect our birds.
Jeez. Sasa viatu na venye tumevaa open shoes.
Yeah, you just have
Tutadisinfect
to
aje?
kufanya tu nini na juu pole pole ndio isishike nini.
Ndio isiende kwa
Yeah,
kiatu.
isikuje kwa your toes.
Sawa.
Yeah, well, too bad we don't have nini.
Close shoes.
No,
Eh.
the thing for wiping your hands, so utashika tu simu hivyo.
Ni sawa, haina shida.
So this is not very like up to
So?
the technology ama sijui what. Yeah, but basically that's
Like what
you
I've
do.
done.
Yeah.
So it's water and what inside?
Need disinfectant. Yeah.
So we don't infect the
birds.
cuckoos.
Yeah. Make sure.
Balance
But
it.
ni open shoes and the sun, so hata ikienda itakauka tu in no time.
Yeah.
Puss,
Iko sawa.
come on.
And that one.
Please stop. Stop being a bad packer.
You know Kinalolo might not be coming.
Yeah, she told me this paka is so needy. Stop drinking
Stop
that
going
water.
to the disinfectant.
It's still
It's
new.
cute.
Yeah, na yo, it's really small. It's missing its parents.
Kwani mliiba?
No, we bought it.
How much?
I don't even remember.
Puss.
So welcome to this very humble farm abode of ours. And this is the chicken house. And that is the residential area.
Who stays there?
Are the people who help us out in the farm.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I've seen Jay ako busy.
Yeah, because we have a client who's currently taking eggs, because we deal with middlemen. We sell eggs in wholesale. So there's someone who's currently
We can't peep there.
yeah,
We'd like to see the chicken. Sindio?
Yeah, you have to disinfect again. Again, this is not like top of the class, but it's working. So you have to disinfect again, especially for the people who actually.
Eh.
Wow, the last time nilikuwa hapa they were so small.
Yeah.
So season unajua.
Sitaki kuingia ndani. I don't wanna get in here. I always do. I don't wanna go in here.
Where is the water supply?
The red.
Oh, the red drinker.
Yeah, the red
Oh, the ones that are hanging.
Yeah, they are automatic drinkers.
Uh-huh.
So like the water comes from the tanks outside. There's a pump there. And pumped through the black pipes and into the drinkers. So because it's like automatic. Sorry.
How many months are they into laying?
So they started end January. We're in March.
Yeah,
We're in
April.
April.
Yeah.
So 2 months now.
2 months now.
Yeah,
So
probably.
what happens at the end once they finish laying?
So when they finish laying, they lay for about 1.5 years, 18 months, non-stop. And when they finish laying, you basically have birds that cannot produce eggs anymore, so you sell the birds.
I'll come for some.
Yeah, definitely. And I think they taste like indigenous chicken.
They taste
once
like
they
indigenous
finish laying,
chicken.
yeah, because they're not like broilers, because we're not keeping them for like 5 or 6 weeks.
Yeah.
We're gonna have them for 2 years.
2 years, yeah.
And we're not feeding them pellets like broilers. It's chicken feeds that are not like tengenezwa, prepared with steroids. Not to say that broiler feeds have steroids, but like the fact that they take about 6 weeks.
Itatka kuruka nje?
Most likely, yeah. Ziko na
fat soft.
Yeah. So after the 2 years are over, we're gonna have chicken, lots of chicken. So be sure to come for some.
Do you regret? Do you feel like this project was worth it?
I mean, like every other project, ikona challenges zake. First of all, we recently just had a challenge with the feeds, because the company where we're getting the feeds from, they gave us bad feeds, feeds that they had already expired.
Oh no.
And we didn't know. So there was a reduction in eggs production. There was like a decline in like 10 trays in one day, and of course we were like wondering what's going on. And then so we had our vet come and take a look at the birds and the feeds, and that's when we realized that the feeds we were giving them are bad. So it's been about 3 weeks now of reduced egg production, because we were doing about 70 trays of eggs by the time about 3 weeks ago, and now we're back to like 50-55, and it's taking a while to progress. Like it's taking a while to.
Did you notify the people who supplied?
Yeah, we did. We called the company, and they came and checked the feeds and established that indeed the feeds zilikuwa zime-expire. So we had an exchange. So now we're just monitoring.
So just exchange, no, nothing to pay for their fault.
No, they didn't take responsibility for that, and really there's nothing much you can do. But at this point, we're actually, because I don't know if you took notice of the sand there and the bricks. We're trying to set up our own milling plant, so that then we're able to, store our ingredients for producing the chicken feeds properly. Like with us, when we're producing the feeds, there's quality assurance, so we can,
feed the chicken and even be able to
so we
supply
can
the
avoid
surplus.
things like this, because like this is the first time, we're trying this project, and we've already lost so much money. We pumped in so much money.
Chicken
So
it's pooping. Yeah, it's pooping.
on my head.
It just had to turn to poop.
So yeah, other than that, it's really capital intensive and human resource intensive. But
Any regrets? We talked about the challenges, but do you think like this is a project you'd love to continue doing?
definitely, definitely, because even expanding, the fact that I feel like for me, I get satisfaction from the fact that I'm able to produce something that reaches consumers instantly, like almost immediately.
Everybody eats eggs almost every day.
Exactly, and the fact that eggs are an affordable source of animal protein, you know, compared to meat or chicken. So you're able to feed like not only like super rich people, but you know, everybody.
Yeah.
So no regrets, absolutely no regrets. But the challenges ni nyingi. Yeah.
Sasa, me let me go. You give me my eggs. Sa. All I want is some eggs from you.
And I know love is like the phases of the moon.
So I don't know if the lighting is good on this side, but finally I'm at the farm. I'm going to be buying some eggs, so yeah, come with me.
Risky. Hiyo kukutani hivyo. The first time you saw that, how could freak?
My didn't freak. She knows what she's doing.
Mimi kufa mayai. I think amezoea, ndo mtu atake hiyo risk amezoea.
Umezoea? Umezoea ni?
Haujaigeuza ianguke. So I'm here to collect my girl. Hey, did I see my girl? To collect my eggs, and that is my servant. Okay, that's the owner of the eggs. Damn, this is interesting. Nice farming.
So I can't do what the other lady was doing.
Yeah, so just
like, pack them
one by one.
Other.
Yeah, you are not an expert. So once mkimaliza hapa, you guys are going to the farm.
Yeah, tunaenda kwa shamba huko chini.
Saa ngapi? At 4.
Actually right now, sai tu.
What are nini iko kwa farm?
Kunde. Na terere. Na nini? Managu. Na skuma.
Are they ready?
The kundes are ready, but I think we already sold all kundes.
Yeah, sold how? You harvested already?
Yeah, we harvested.
Where?
That's why I'm looking healthy.
Thank you. You have a pay-bill number?
No, we don't, because we have like specific suppliers.
So how much for this?
We do 300 shillings per crate, but we don't sell less than 70 crates. Yeah, so the least anybody can do is like 70 or say 50. So this is a favor because you're family and it's free.
It's free! Free stuff!
So maybe after we expand.
Okay, so we'll hug, but I will like that. Because when they say they don't shake hands.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
So Mimi,
so maybe after we expand, maybe we can have like a paybill number, because at the moment we're not even meeting the demand, so we can't have a paybill number.
So the demand is higher than the
supply.
Okay, so I'm just wondering, people who take them at 300 shillings, how much do they sell them today?
So the people who take them for 300 shillings sell them to like local supermarkets around or shops. They sell them for like 330 or 340 or 350 depending.
So if they take 100 crates, so they'll make
their profit margins are actually not that big.
But since they're doing huge numbers, it's good. Because now if somebody sells at, let's say, 340 and they sell 100 crates, 40 shillings, that is 4,000 per day.
Yeah.
I think that's good.
Yeah. And then you see, they're
not taking the risk of naming.
Exactly.
Sasa, that's awesome. Really, thank you so much.
You are welcome.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah, you better. So you can close the gate behind you. I don't feel like walking you guys to the gate.
You have to walk us. Another kukula.
Yeah, I'm gonna have lunch.
Okay, Sasa, basi. Bye.
Anna, what's the deal?
No, it's okay.
Okay, sawa.
Oh no, see me off.
Just as we were about to leave, I saw the chicken feed being taken into the chicken house. That simply means that the chicken were about to be fed, and I had to check out and obviously to see how they are doing it, considering the fact that they have a lot of birds in here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Kindly give this video a like in case you're still here, and in case you're still watching and enjoying it, give it a like.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know
So we are now finally done from the farm. Next we're going, where are we going?
Garden City, it's a mall.
Yeah,
We're going to pick up some decor.
Yeah, we're going to look, we're going to check out some decor before we can go back before the curfew time. So I hope you enjoyed this scene or this place. I like it. It gives me that vibe of, you know, like you don't even realize that you're in Nairobi. Look at that. Look at the background.
Yeah.
It looks amazing. So it's like a farm. Yeah. Of course it's a farm, but it looks like a farm outside Nairobi because it's big. Yeah. So yeah, now let's go. What's that? Oh, okay, cool.